Hi everyone! In this tutorial by SecondLineThemes, we'll go over the initial theme and plugin installation. If you just created a new WordPress installation, you'll probably see an empty site with the default theme installed. When you purchased one of our themes, you received a download link in the email, which you can always download through our website in the user dashboard. Once you've downloaded the theme's zip file, go into the Appearance and Themes screen. There, you can click the Add New button and upload the zip file to install the theme. When the theme is installed, we can activate it through the same screen. During the initial activation, you'll be redirected to the Theme Setup wizard. Follow the steps of the wizard to install a child theme. Activate your theme license. Install all the recommended plugins, or just a few if you prefer. And import the demo data. Keep in mind that importing the demo data to an existing website with pre-existing content would override your homepage setting, the navigation, and add some widgets. No content would be lost, but you may need to recreate some widgets or change the navigation if needed. Once the import process is complete, you can go back to the dashboard or visit your site. You'll see all the demo posts and pages in the dashboard and can visit the live site to see it in action.